So I'm Kirsty from Brisbane Bayside Garage Doors. I'm the General Manager and have been for the last 6 years. We're a family run and owned company servicing and installing garage doors in Brisbane and have been for the last 40 years. We currently have 30 staff working for us. We've expanded in the last 6 years. We only had 13 when I took over as GM. It's become much more seamless, so the guys on the road are adding their notes into Simpro directly. We're not printing out the run sheets and day sheets anymore, so we've moved away from that paper-based as much as we were. We, when I first came back, still had all of the installations on a job board, on a whiteboard, which now you couldn't fill a whiteboard with the amount of jobs we now have. You just couldn't put it on a whiteboard. Now that they're using it, they type in their notes, add the photos directly, whereas before they would take it on their mobile phone and then upload their photos onto Simpro Post. That now that they're using it, it's so much easier. The load times have reduced. They make sure they've got their stock. They're being a bit more responsible for how their day looks, and the girls can see where they're going. It's helped our invoicing team as well to be able to not have to wait for them to bring their paperwork back. And we're also looking currently at offshoring part of that invoicing role as well. So the fact that we can do that fully digitally as well makes life easier for everybody. We now make sure our stock is really up to date per each vehicle, and also we have zoned and subzoned our technicians as well so that we can get to more customers each day, and then if there is a change and we have to pivot, that we know what suburbs and stuff we can call customers to say, hey, are you available for today? The other thing we use a lot is actually the text messaging. So we have it's automated texting, so the technicians will say we're on our way. They get the automatic text message to say we're on our way, could you please remove your car from the garage? Also, when the quote gets accepted and goes through, we send we send forms, like a confirmation letter to say this is what you've ordered. The customers are up to date the whole time, and all of that is stored as well on Simpro. So all the text messages that get sent, all the emails that get sent are all in the system. So the fact that we could schedule in one program and then convert those quotes to jobs, those jobs then convert to invoices, and then the payments and everything, so it's all in the one-stop shop. The fact that the stock could be added and allocated to each job as well, so we didn't have to have, well, previously they were running off scheduling on Outlook, MyOb for the accounts, ordering on MyOb, and nothing spoke to each other. So the fact that you could have one complete package that does everything, because there are some packages out there that do everything up until the invoicing, whereas you need to know, has this job been invoiced? Have we made profit on this job? And also then has that customer paid? So the fact we don't have to go into 2 or 3 different packages is the reason why they shifted with that in 2012. Simpro helps us work smarter by being more efficient and being the source of truth for all the staff. It's the one-stop complete package for the whole organisation.